Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The battle between Òrúnmìlà and Ìkú, death. Pataki, sacred story. Once Death, Ìkú, was killing everyone it encountered. It headed to the house of Òrúnmìlà, but before it arrived, he had already performed Igbo. He sacrificed a young bull and hung the meat on a stick placed in a corner at a certain height, along with a live goat. When Death reached Òrúnmìlà's house and knocked on the door, Òrúnmìlà, changing his voice, asked who it was and what it wanted. Death responded, "I've come to kill you. Open the door." Suddenly and unexpectedly, Òrúnmìlà, having placed the bull's horns on his head, charged at Death. With this surprising attack, Death dropped its scythe. After a short struggle, the horns broke off. Death then sent a dog to fetch claws, while Òrúnmìlà sent his goat. Death mocked Òrúnmìlà, saying, "By the time your goat returns, I will have finished you off." But when the dog saw what was hanging in the corner, the meat from the bull, it stayed there trying to reach it. This gave the goat enough time to go and come back with the horns. When the dog saw the goat returning, it ran off. But by the time it arrived, Òrúnmìlà had already defeated Death.